Para me.
It's not small. Now the cool thing is those wings come off, and when they do, it's really easy to store. It's just 2 screws per side.
I want to fly too!
I'll be right up there with y'all too, don't worry.
Right, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Get the pointy thing pointed in the right direction, and we are good to go.
Gear up.
You're good. Got some weird ass wind over there. Let me catch up with you guys.
What's funny? When you're right, you're right. I hate to say it. But when you're right, you're right.
So that means that when he's wrong, he's very wrong.
I like you guys always looking at this negative. The empty side of the glass. Just say thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Rand.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
As he freaking flies past all of us, full bore. What? It's not on? Oh yeah, you did by changing the aux 3. Told you.
Or you can buy a kit from me, and then we don't have to change anything. You think people on the forum use this mix?
Probably not.
I mean,
The forum is,
with the gyro in
there's so much gibberish on there.
Yeah, it's just with the gyro in place of this mix, it's like it's exactly what we wanted.
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna do some touch and go.
Okay. Skysword's taking off, baby. Time for some speed. I'm gonna do a fast pass. Another fast pass. Oh, hello, bird. He saw me too. I saw him flinch a little bit. Whoa, Frank, I thought you were landing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Right, standing left.
Leg up. Let it come down. You gotta let it come down. There you go. It's bad. It's all over the place right now. Frankie, I gotta come in too, so just tell me where you are. Okay.
cargo, you're landing. Skysword!
Woo! Jesus, Frank's on a mission. I don't know what kind of mission.
Red's like, get away from me! Get away! Get away! Get away!
My best landings with that landing was pretty good.
Look out for the Skysword!
Have you seen, have you seen how the wind played with you over here? Almost went into the,
Yeah, that was over watching you cross.
It was like, yeah.
No, I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna...
Well, I heard your blip at the last minute. I didn't see it, but I heard it.
Okay, now I'm going home.
All right, Joey.
See you.